Okay, family, I finally made it to Walgreens. I'm gonna do that Kodak deal. I have a $2 off one digital for here, $2 off one digital for here. This is $4.50. This is $4.50. That's $9. They're gonna take $4 off. I'm gonna pay $5 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back this $4 register reward, which make these 50 cents a piece. And then I'm gonna do this transaction on the Dove. They $7 a piece. $7 a piece. I'm gonna roll this register reward from here onto here. I have a $5 off one digital coupon that's gonna come off. That's gonna make it $9, and then a $4 register reward I get from here gonna lower my out of pocket for here. So I'm gonna pay $5 out of pocket for 2 doves. I see they got this Caress. Buy 2, you'll get a $4 register reward. But I ain't got no digitals for it, fam. Oh my God, this smells so good. That smells real good. I was gonna do this Olay body wash deal. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward, but my digital expired. So I think that's it, fam. So let's check out. Okay, fam, I done made it home from Walgreens. My first transaction was the Colgate deal. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. I bought this toothbrush, $4.50. Toothpaste, $4.50. I had a $2 off one digital here, $2 off one digital here. So let's look at my receipt. All right, here's my receipt. You see both of my $2 off one digital for each one. I paid $5 out of pocket, but I got back that $4 registry reward that I rolled onto my next transaction. So these cost me 50 cents a piece. Now let's look at my next transaction. Okay, here's my next transaction. I did the tie deal. As I was walking out, I was looking and I'm like, oh, let me see what coupons I got for that one. So I did that deal. Great deal. So this is $5.49, $5.49, $5.49, $5.49. It's buy 4, you get a $5 register reward. I rolled my register reward from my first transaction, the Colgate deal, onto this transaction to lower my out of pocket. I had a $1.50 digital, $1.50 digital, $2.05 digital, and a $1.55 digital. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. Y'all see my $4 register reward that I rolled from the first transaction, $2.05 digital, $1.55 digital, $1.50 digital, $1.50 digital. I paid $11.36 out of pocket, but I got back my $5 register reward, which made this cost me $6.36, fam. $6.36, excuse me. But I rolled that $5 register reward from this transaction onto my other and last transaction to lower my okay, here's my transaction. The Dove, I did the Dove. They got they $7 a piece. They didn't even have where you get a registry reward back or anything. But I had a 5 off 2 digital, and I rolled the registry reward from there onto here to lower my out of pocket. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. There's the Dove. They $7 a piece, so that's 2 for $14. That $5 digital came off, and my $5 register reward that I rolled from the Tide deal onto there. I paid $4 out of pocket, fam. But guess what I got back? I got a $3 register reward, which means these cost me 50 cents a piece for Dove body wash. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? Ah! So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Give me the thumbs up. Okay, Walgreens, y'all showed out this week. Y'all showed out for me this week. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed day. Share, share, share. Bye-bye.